They are opportunists. They're in all the soil systems, and they feed on rich carbon substrates. So the tillage, what it does, infuses oxygen, wakes these organisms, and they start to cannibalize the soil. It's kind of a healing mechanism. If you really think about it, it's what it's doing is getting all the glues, all the carbon substrates. They die, they release nitrogen, and guess what? That nitrogen feeds the scabs. You stimulated secondary succession. You primed the biology. I had an old rancher say to me, Ray, I'm not going to stop tilling. I go, why? Because every time I disc, I release nitrogen. He goes, yeah, you burned the house down to warm up a hot dog. It would have been better to turn the grill on. Covers are the grill. You use covers to prime the soil. You don't use tillage. You cause the soil to cannibalize itself. It's intrusive. It's brutal on the soil ecosystem. We want to reduce as much tillage as possible. Now, the problem with this soil is going to be more droughty. It's not going to hold calcium in. It's going to be more susceptible to disease. It's going to be more weedy. This doesn't manage carbon. This is a bacteria-dominant soil. These soils are getting more in balance. We want a balance of fungal energy pathway and bacteria pathway. This is predominantly bacteria pathway. We don't want this. Okay? You're going to have more problems with disease. You're going to have more problems. These systems are healthy. Look at here. Everyone in common. Guess what? Different county. And it's amazing what our producers will say. Well, Ray, I don't work here. The climate's... No, ecological principles don't stop at the border, ladies and gentlemen. They work everywhere. And if you go to Hawaii, we did this in Hawaii. I've done this in Alaska. Same thing happens. So what happened is we were taught out of context. Okay? Taught out of context. So keep in mind, everybody with me, you till. You create a firestorm. You wake up those R. strategist bacteria, and they're going to eat the house. We want to reduce our tillage as much as possible. We are going broke in this country because of this situation. We don't understand how soils work. Guess what I saw all over here? I saw fields everywhere. That's why the water ponds up. You can't get the water in the soil.